Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your debit card onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start to place your orders. Now, if you wish to add your debit card onto your account as a payment method, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Wallet. Now within the Wallet page, you will see the payment method option. Tap on Add Payment Methods, and now you will see the credit or debit card option. Tap on this option and you will now be asked to enter your credit or debit card number. Go ahead and type in your debit card number followed by the expiration date and the CVV number. After this, proceed forward, and once your information has been verified, your debit card will be added as your payment method. You can then simply use your debit card in order to top up your Uber Cash wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your debit card to Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.